Dear friends, this fortnight in the 22nd edition, the beginning of this new year 2021, the top 10 global news covers various dimensions of sustainable dairy development, from environmental safety to animal health resilience, feed efficiency, and technology development to tap local and global markets in a highly integrated and competitive dairy scenario. The COVID prevalence has shown its impact on how future dairy strategies are shaping up. In our top focus one in dairy farmer, Nestle to support dairy farmers in Sri Lanka under the market oriented dairy project. In Sri Lanka, Nestle has facilitated the first commercial silage enterprise in the northwestern province to help dairy farmers in the region have uninterrupted access to feed and improve the quality and support of local milk. In our top focus 2 in dairy herd, increasing cow resilience through dairy genomics project in Canada. Researchers at the University of Guelph are working with scientists from across the country, industry partners, and international collaborators on a 12 million dairy genomics project. This project is finally looking for resilient animal development under rapidly changing environmental conditions without compromising the productivity, health, or fertility of the animals. In the top focus 3, Murray Dairy undertakes maize and grain sorghum silage trial. This trial is the result of water allocation and water prices, according to Murray Dairy Program Development Manager of Farm Systems, San Bryan. In the top focus 4 in dairy infrastructure, we have news on the success to dairying lies in the right housing design. The success or failure of many dairy farms is linked directly to the kind of housing. In many farms, managing animals is easier because of the type of housing they have chosen. This also reduces the overall expense of the farm. In our top focus 5 in dairy machines, we have news from NK Dairy Equipments in India, which is collaborating with GIA to launch need-based milking machines according to the dairy farming structures that is developing in India. In our top focus on feed management, managing negative energy balance through feed ration is the key to feed efficiency. This is what Kefre, dairying advisor in company Triron, said that the profitable winter milk production is highly dependent on meeting the nutritional requirement of the dairy herd and selecting a balanced ration which will pay dividends through the production of high quality milk and good reproductive performance. In our top focus in farm management, the company XCheck launches Dairy Farm Analysis app, a new farm business analysis and planning app which will allow dairy farmers and farm service providers to quickly implement industry best practices in physical and financial performance analysis. This farm app, ourfarm.app, can be downloaded on the Android mobile phone from Google Play as well. In a top focus on health management, herbal preparations to curb misuse of antibiotics in dairy sector. This is what has been found in India and promoted by NDDB. Experts said that ethno-veterinary medicine, herbal preparations that have evolved over thousands of years through innovations and experiences of communities, could be a probable solution to bring down the misuse of antibiotics, especially turmeric, lime, mixing aloe vera and mustard oil and applying to the affected areas 3 to 5 days, along with feeding whole lemons to cattle in case of chronic mastitis. Using a paste of curry leaves and jaggery is also fed to the cattle. This has also been conducted efficiency and clinical trials to judge the efficacy of these solutions. The top focus in waste management, the world's first carbon neutral dairy farm in Gippsland, Australia. The 231 hectare 500 cow farm is Australia's leading dairy innovation facility, Ellinbank Smart Farm, which is fast tracking innovative technologies in a research environment and showing them in a way that is accessible to the dairy industry. The smart farm is also becoming carbon neutral by reducing methane emissions, improving fertilizer and manure management, and generating electricity through several options including solar, wind, hydro, and biodigestion. The top focus 10 in dairy market management, we have news from Parag Dairy in India, which has set up its first of its kind whey protein plant. Most of this whey protein was earlier imported, but now there is option for indigenous production. Parag Milk Foods Limited, a manufacturer and marketer of dairy-based brand products in India, plans to add further value to its cheese and whey business through introduction of high potential lactose products thereby expanding its health and nutrition portfolio. Signing off, this is Amit Saha, wishing you a very safe, productive, and inspiring week ahead. I hope this edition has brought some value addition to your business and takes a little step forward towards a more sustainable dairy world. For regular updates of Fox Network, please subscribe to our Facebook group, live channel, YouTube, and our website in the link given. Thank you.